Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jonesium, and today I'm gonna be putting on a light on my FN 509. Olight by Valkyrie. I guess that's the company. So just gonna install this bad boy real quick. Comes with everything you need. The charger, I think that's what that is. Pretty sure that's a charger. So should be pretty simple installation, right? Connect the provided magnetic charging cable to USB power source or any USB port. So this is the charger right here, and connect it to any power source. It is a bit of a short cable, but got that. And here's the charger. So the indicator on the charging cable is red while charging and will turn green when fully charged. Alright, well, it's charging like so, but should be a pretty simple installation. Just slide it on the rail like that, if you guys can see. So just slide it on the rail and snap it on there, and you got the light. Alright, so it's installed, and the switch is actually on the side here, so you press it down to activate it. So there it is. See the light? So to activate the switch, so I'm left-handed, so you can just go like that and press it down while you're holding it. So momentary press is turn it off. That keeps it on. If you want to just flash it on and off, you hold it like that. But if you want to keep it on, you just press it once. So that's it. Pretty easy. And of course, I got a holster that's specifically made to hold the 509 with the Olight. So it's like that. All right, and that's the installation of the Olight on the FN 509. Thanks for watching.